Hi, and welcome to the tutorial on saving sessions versus saving layers. Today we're going to be talking about the different ways that you can save your data in JMARS. The first way you can save your data is by saving your layers. So saving layers allows you to save individual layers that are in your layer manager. The overlays at the bottom are automatically loaded, but the top part holds your layers. So if you go to File, Save Layers, a pop-up should come up and it will list every layer that you have in your layer manager. So now you can pick which layers you want to save and which ones you don't want to save. So we will save all of them and say save. Press save. And now we're going to erase these layers so you can see what it looks like when we load the layers. And we'll leave this one on. And we're going to go to load layers and we're going to find the document we just saved. Press open. And now it lists the layers that you saved in your document. So you can choose which layers you want to load and which ones you don't want to. So we will load all of them but Explore Mars because we already have that in our layer manager. Now we load them and all of our layers are saved. One of the main differences between saving layers and saving sessions is that saving layers will only save the layers in your manager that you choose. Saving session allows you to select a zoom level that is saved and a location. So for example, we're going to go to the North Pole and we're going to reproject. And now we're going to change our zoom to 256 and we're going to move this one on top and we're going to turn these maps off and we're going to go to Save Session. And save. Now there's two ways you can load a session. You can double click on your session file and that will open JMARS and your session file, or you can go to File, Load Session. But before we do that, I'm going to move locations and we're going to reproject and we're going to change our zoom level. And we're going to erase some of these layers, all of the layers. And now we're going to go to Load Session. We're going to find your session file and press Open. And you'll see that all of our layers are added back. Our center projection is at the pole and our zoom is at 256. So they're both useful. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want to save your details such as your location and your zoom, saving sessions is better. But if you just want to save your layers, then saving layers is better. But that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for joining me.